In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message in Meta Business Suite. Whether you're trying to clean up an overflowing inbox, remove old conversations, or keep your team's workspace organized, knowing how to properly delete or close off messages in Meta Business Suite is really helpful. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct business account, especially if you manage more than one page or profile. Once you're on the main home screen, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side with different options like Home, Notifications, and so on. From that menu, click on Inbox. This is where all of your messages from Facebook, Instagram, and sometimes other connected channels are collected in one place. It can take a moment to load if you have a lot of conversations, so just give it a second. When the inbox opens, you'll see a list of conversations on the left. Scroll through this list and click on the specific message or conversation that you want to remove or clean up. Once you click it, the full conversation will appear in the main panel in the center of the screen. Now, look over to the right side of the screen. There, you should see details about the person who messaged you, along with a few icons. Among those icons, look for the 3 vertical dots. These 3 dots usually indicate more options. Click on those 3 dots to open the options menu for that conversation. In this menu, you'll see an option to delete the conversation. Click on Delete Conversation if you're sure you no longer need any part of that chat. Keep in mind that deleting a conversation removes it from your inbox in Meta Business Suite, so you won't be able to view it there again. It's a good idea to only delete conversations you're certain you don't need for future reference. If you don't want to fully delete the conversation, but you do want to clear it from your active inbox view, you have another option. On the left side, where all your messages are listed, you'll see a small tick or check mark next to the conversation. Click on that tick to move the message to Done. This doesn't delete the conversation entirely. It simply marks it as completed and moves it out of your main active list, helping you stay organized without losing the message history. And that's it. By using delete for messages you no longer need, and marking others as done, you can keep your Meta Business Suite inbox tidy and easier to manage.